Maybe a better angle.
No, chicken show's over.
The chicken show's over.
That's right, there's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
Hey tubers.
Good day, adventurers. How are all of you doing today?
My allergies are terrible. Thanks for asking. Oh wait, you're asking them.
Yeah. Nobody cares about you, Amanda. Gosh.
Oh, that was really mean.
Oh my
Now you tell
goodness.
us how you
Blow
really
out
feel.
the big violins.
Yeah, Rob has his work is doing. They're doing a gumbo competition at this gumbo event. I don't know.
Yeah, it's
like
this
festival.
place.
It's like a gumbo festival.
Yeah, so we are heading over there to get our gumbo on.
Yeah, I just realized we're kind of matching, but not on purpose.
Yeah.
I couldn't find Rob. You'll never guess where I found him.
What? Of course I'm in the camera section.
You're always in the clearance section.
That's right.
Time to upload the vlog. That's why we're at Wally World.
So I just got here and I got this free gooey ring and somebody gave me a drink and
You got a shirt?
I got a shirt. I don't know what's happening. Somebody touched my beard.
Oh yeah. ready for some boba?
Boba. I love boba. And look, combo.
Oh. Hey, there's a kitty cat.
Oh, a little piggy.
I got a little zebra.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
What do we get?
Excited. Boba tea.
And
You
spring
got
roll.
matcha and I got toro.
Taro root.
Taro. Toro. Taro. Oh, I don't want to kill him.
Oh,
Do on the side.
you boba do tea? Hey, look, their straws are different.
Oh yeah. Hey, look, they match. I give them. See, yours is green and mine's blue. You killed the piggy. We just left the boba place. You have our bobas.
Boba.
Yeah. It
And
was
we
delicious.
are in Kemah.
Yes.
Kemah.
Yes. And if you guys have been around, then you know what we do when we go to Kemah. We go to. Yeah. They don't actually have that game, but yeah. We go to the arcade.
Let me out. You gotta let me out again. Hey, you're not allowed to have a drink in here. Bye. Supposed to feed the fish, but
It's like cat food.
ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there's an ant. Nobody wants my food.
Oh gosh. They all went away.
Not interested in any of my food.
You scared them all away. Oh, there they are. They're like, we didn't know we had more suckers.
Another quarter. Oh,
Ah,
sorry.
you just hit it. I heard that. You just hit it. Oh gosh. You guys ready?
Just, yeah, throw it up, because they'll...
That's good. Ah, go get it! Ah. That's so much fun. Oh my
I like how
gosh.
it's to feed the fish, but
That's
the
so
gulls
cool.
are all
Yeah.
like...
Oh yeah, but the seagulls are more entertaining. That's awesome. We're going to our favorite place. Apparently Jasmine thinks that our antenna is her own personal face scratcher. It's not a face scratcher. You're gonna knock it down. Here, Mommy will scratch your face. Lucy, hey, Bubby. You see the kitty? Oh, Jasmine. You're so sweet.
Comfortable, but this is not. I'm gonna
is
fall
like
off the
the
bed.
worst.
This is terrible. I have sun today. I have sun today. I got some sun today.
Oh my gosh, yes. He has like a little burn strip on the. Oh wait, can I show them? A little sunburn on his neck. It's just like a strip. But anyway, we had a fun day. An exhausting day.
I don't know. We're tired. We're gonna go to bed because we have
Yes.
laundry to do in the morning.
And I don't think I'll be eating gumbo anytime soon.
Oh my gosh, we're gumbo.
Too
I'm
much
gumboed out.
Yeah, it was good though. It was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think my favorite part was feeding the seagulls though.
We're not supposed to. I didn't realize. We didn't notice until later. There are like giant signs everywhere that say "Don't feed the seagulls." Oh, but it was a ton of fun. So
Yeah, but we didn't know where.
we didn't know.
Oh, and we'll show you guys all the things we got from the arcade yesterday, tomorrow. And I got something super exciting in the mail today.
Oh yes.
And I'll show you guys that tomorrow too. So stay tuned and we'll see you guys. Did you just give spoilers? We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Cha-cha. Adomani.
Adomani. That was the wrong thing. That doesn't turn it off. Doesn't do anything. Y'all come back now, you hear?